all. My name is Dhrupad. Good day to you. Today I would like to talk about our Earth. Our Earth is the only planet in our solar system which supports life. This is possible because oxygen gas in our air, water, sunlight and atmosphere and soil. Earth also has a normal temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Let's talk a little more about the Earth. The white imaginary line which you can see in your screen is called orbit. That is the path of the Earth following to make a rotation of the Sun. Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one rotation. That's 1 year. This rotation is called revolution. During this revolution, Earth also gets different seasons like summer, spring, rainy, and winter. Let's talk a little more about the Earth. Earth rotates with the Sun, but it also rotates around its own axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That is 1 day. We call it rotation. Now let's understand how the Earth gets day and night. Here the sun's rays comes in which part the sun rays comes in the Earth, and which parts gets the sun rays. Here the Earth's parts getting the rays of the sun. That means here is day and here is night. Hope the information shared is useful and you liked it. Thank you.